Now, I get offered lots and lots of board seats all of the time. I push all of those board opportunities into the Veblen Director Program. But there are a few boards that I would pay to sit on those boards. So the example that I give a lot is I would comfortably pay $1 million a year to sit on the board of SpaceX. Now, yes, it's a very cool company and it's sending rockets into space and all that sort of stuff. But equally, my core business is mergers and acquisitions and taking companies public and raising money for businesses. If I was sat on the board of SpaceX, there's not a financial investor institute on the planet that would turn down my phone call. So I would be able to monetize that board seat significantly. And so what we teach in the Learn to Earn piece is all of the different ways that you can monetize your board seats. And I think Fran mentioned it in his session about how when he started to acknowledge this, he started looking at the other board members. How could he work with the other board members to earn potential? And so there's lots and lots of different ways that you can earn money, but the salary is the probably the least interesting of all of them. So that's how you leverage it. Now, what's interesting is we do a survey from time to time out in the marketplace, and we ask people, would they be open to doing unpaid board work? And so this is a survey that we kind of have, it just runs in the background. We've had thousands and thousands of people do this. 23% of respondents who want a board seat would not be prepared to do unpaid work. Now, all of the Veblen members that you've heard from today have all taken unpaid roles because they're looking for experience, they're looking for the connections, they're looking to get onto that board ladder. And once they're on the board ladder, then they leverage it to get to the paid stuff. Now, I think this is great news for you because that means that a quarter of all of the people thinking about who actually want board seats are never prepared to do that first step because they're not willing to put themselves out there and potentially do an unpaid role first of all.